Do you actually need a light table to grow strong, healthy seedlings? The answer is some plants absolutely do, and many do not. Hello, my name's Lynn Gillespie, creator of the High Performance Garden System, and I've been starting seedlings indoors for 40 years on my light table. Now today I'm going to show you exactly which plants benefit from a light table and which ones do not need it at all, and how to decide based on what you are growing. So a light table is simply a flat surface with growing lights positioned very close to the seedlings. And a light table works because the seedlings get intense, even light, and plants don't have to stretch to find light. Stems grow thicker and stronger, and plants develop better root systems. So these are the plants that need strong light early, or they become leggy really fast. They also need warmth and an early start. These warm season crops must have a light table to grow best. Tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, and basil. Now, if you start these indoors without strong light, they're going to stretch, flop over, and then they're going to really struggle later. These belong on the light table from day one. And these are the cool season vegetables that do very well on the light table and will help you to get an early start to your growing season. So we got lettuce, we got kale, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, celery, mustards, bok choy, onions, and leeks. Strong light keeps these plants compact so they transplant easily and grow fast once they're outside or in the greenhouse. Now many flowers, they also benefit from indoor light because they're slow growers early on. So flowers that love light tables are petunias, snapdragons, pansies, violas, alyssum, calendula, salvia, and verbena. Now these seedlings stay neat and sturdy when they grow under lights instead of stretching towards a window. So which plants do not need a light table to get off to a good start? This is important. Not everything belongs under lights. So the plants that don't like to be transplanted are better if you direct sow them in place where they are going to finish out their growing. So we have carrots, beets, radishes, turnips, parsnips, beans, peas, corn, squash, pumpkins, melons, cucumbers, garlic, spinach, arugula, potatoes, sweet potatoes, and Swiss chard. That's quite a list. They either don't transplant well or they grow so fast that starting them indoors really doesn't help. So how do you decide which plant to start on the light table and which ones to direct sow in the garden? So you need to ask yourself 3 questions. Does it grow slow at first? If it does, use the light table. Does it get tall and leggy easily? Use the light table. Does it hate to be transplanted? Skip the light table and go directly into the garden. This simple filter will save you time, space, and lots of frustration. So starting the right plants on the light table is one of the easiest ways to improve your garden success, especially in short growing seasons. Now, if you want to know exactly when to start the seedlings in your climate, grow short, healthy transplants, and learn our raised bed gardening system, you can find our educational resources at thelivingfarm.org. And if you're looking for open pollinated heirloom garden seeds, you can also find our full seed collection on our website, thelivingfarm.org. So I've included the links in the description below. So thanks for supporting organic seed growing and local farms. I'll see you in the next episode. May your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.